Hi guys, and welcome to Gantt Chart tutorial developed using Python. Okay, these are the details of my Gantt chart. But let me show you guys the spreadsheet that was used. That is it right here. Okay, that's the spreadsheet, and those are the information. I'm going to make this spreadsheet available for you guys. So let's minimize that. And let's close this and start a new project entirely. So first of all, we start by importing the following libraries. And after that, we want to use more descriptive variables. So let's come in here. I'm going to say tags underscore df. That is going to be pandas dot read underscore. What am I reading? You're actually reading my database that I call, or my spreadsheet that is called subject. There. And just before I go along, I want you guys to make sure you import the following. You make sure you have pandas installed and plotly installed as well. Okay, so that is done. Now let's use a more descriptive column name. So I'm going to say the first one here. Let's say task with an S. That is going to be equals task equals the df, and using a square brackets, the first column in there, as you can see, is called tabs. Second is start, finish, and completion, and complete in percentage. So this one is going to be tabs, and next is start, and so on. So let's just grab hold of this. There. This is going to be start. The next one will be start date. Let's say underscore date, and that here I'm just going to enter start, and this is going to be called finish date underscore date, and here that will be called finish. Then we have the completion, which is lowercase complete underscore percent, completion percentage, and this is going to be known as completion in percent. In percent. There. Okay, all of this information in here, that's what I have on my spreadsheet. Look at that. Tax, start, finish, complete, and percent. That's what I have in here. Okay, the next thing I want to do now is to use the plotly, the plotly expression for column scale. So let's come right down here and just say figure px dot timeline, and a very first one that's going to be tags defined, and that will be x. X that is, let's say that's going to be my start date. So underscore start and equals the start date. There we go. Next one is going to, let's say, x underscore end, and that will be equals end date. Then we have tabs. y equals tabs, comma, and here let's enter color there. The color is going to be equal to completion in percentage. Is that there? Color, well, color underscore continuous and continuous scale, continuous underscore scale equals velvet width. That is the color. So correct that Verodix. That's the color map available in Matplotlib. So enter an I in there and just close that off as well. And comma. And finally, I'm going to enter my own title, and that is going to be equals. Let's say computer games development. That will be the title of that you will see. Okay. Now let's revise the y-axis. So say fig dot update, that will be equals y-axis, and give me an auto arrange, which is going to be equals reverse. There, close that. Now fig dot update underscore layout, and that is going to be the title, fonts, and let's make that about 24, comma, then the font size itself, we make that about 4. Let's see, I'm going to make that about, let's say 20, and see what's going to happen. If it's too large, you change that. Then the title underscore font underscore the family, in this case I'm going to use area, equals area. And finally, we just want the plotly to show. Plotly dot show. So fig, I'll show the file name, which is going to be equals. I'm going to call that games.html. There we go. Okay. Let's save this before we go any further. File, save as. I'm just going to call it YouTube. Let's say Gantt Chart YouTube. Yeah, that's fine. Save that. Okay, guys. I think we can try it out, but here I need to enter my spreadsheet file extension. Is XL, and that will be .xlsx. Yeah, I think that's it. So have a good look at the lines of code. So let's run that now. Click on run. There we go. There we go, guys. And that is how you create your own Gantt chart in Python. It's very good. So with that, guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it. So let me show you the lines of code just before I leave. There we go, that's the lines of code. And I'm gonna say bye for now. And please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of the channel. Bye for now, guys.